get Fitbit Premium on your Fitbit app on your mobile phone. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. Open Fitbit first like this, and next you have to come and click here. If you click here, it will take you to this page. Right now you find here Fitbit Premium, as you can see here. Click activate, and right now you have to choose your premium, if you want a monthly or this, and then click try Fitbit Premium. It's going to take you to payment page or payment method. Click add credit or debit card, and then you have to complete your payment, and that's all guys. You activate your premium Fitbit. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.